Imagine standing at the mouth of a majestic cave carved by nature itself, with the salty sea breeze caressing your face. Welcome to the Algarve Caves, nature's masterpiece. A marvel formed over millennia, with unique features narrating tales of time. Experience the awe-inspiring Benagil Caves with Sétima Onda's boat trips from Armação de Pêra, an unforgettable highlight. Now, who wouldn't want to embark on such an adventure? As we set sail from the picturesque Armação de Pêra, the anticipation builds. The gentle rhythm of the waves carries us away, our senses enlivened by the briny sea. We leave the quaint coastal town behind, embarking into the endless blue. The seagulls' cries and wind's whispers are our voyage's soundtrack. Gradually, the horizon unveils an extraordinary sight. Majestic cliffs ascend from the sea, a stunning contrast against the sky. Sunlight shimmers on the water, suggesting a gateway to an unexplored realm. This journey fills the air with a sense of adventure. Each wave we conquer, each wind gust guides us closer to our goal. The palpable excitement grows as we near our destination. Suddenly, they appear, emperor-like, the Algarve Caves. Entering the Algarve Caves is like stepping into another world, a realm crafted by nature's unyielding forces over millennia. The deeper we venture, the more we're consumed by awe. It's akin to navigating an alive, breathing art exhibit, where each formation narrates a tale of time and perseverance. The caves possess a distinct acoustic echo, amplifying every sound, each water droplet resonating like a symphony. The play of light on the cave walls is enchanting, casting an ever-changing shadow and light spectacle. There's a tranquil hush, a serene calm that wraps around you as you journey deeper. It's an intimate bond with nature, humbling and profound. As we exit the caves, we're left with a sense of wonder and a deep appreciation for the power and beauty of nature. Algarve Caves aren't just a tourist attraction. They're a testament to the enduring power of nature. Sculpted by time and tide, these formations offer a breathtaking spectacle. An unforgettable journey, revealing nature's artistry in every crevice. It's a powerful call to respect and conserve these wonders. Don't miss the chance to explore the Algarve Caves. It's an adventure you won't forget.